Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Today we're comparing the DJI Mini 5 Pro with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro is small, lightweight, and powerful, while the Mavic 4 Pro is built for professionals with top-tier hardware. Let's break down the differences and see which one is right for you. Design. The Mini 5 Pro weighs just around 249.9 grams, making it ultra-portable and travel-friendly. In contrast, the Mavic 4 Pro is much heavier at about 1,063 grams, putting it in a different class for serious users. The Mini 5 Pro can operate between -10 and +40 degrees Celsius, while official operating temperature specs for the Mavic 4 Pro haven't been fully disclosed. Performance. In flight time, the Mini 5 Pro delivers up to 36 minutes with the standard battery, while the Mavic 4 Pro pushes this to an impressive 51 minutes. Maximum range also favors the Mavic 4 Pro at about 41 kilometers, compared to the Mini's 21 kilometers. Both offer intelligent flight modes, but the Mavic 4 Pro takes things further with advanced obstacle avoidance, autonomous features, and long-range stability. Cameras. The Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording up to 4K at 120 frames per second with HDR and vertical shooting. The Mavic 4 Pro, on the other hand, has a 100-megapixel 4/3 Hasselblad sensor, along with medium telephoto and telephoto cameras. It supports 6K at 60 frames per second video, delivering unmatched versatility and professional-grade image quality. Battery. The Mini 5 Pro uses a 2,788 mAh battery, or an optional plus battery with higher capacity. Charging takes around 69 minutes with the standard pack. The Mavic 4 Pro carries a 6,654 mAh battery, giving it its class-leading 51-minute endurance. More. For storage, the Mini 5 Pro offers 42 gigabytes of internal memory plus microSD support. The Mavic 4 Pro comes with 64 or even 512 gigabytes of onboard storage. Both drones include multi-GNSS GPS, remote control options, and advanced stabilization. The Mavic 4 Pro is clearly aimed at professional videographers, while the Mini 5 Pro strikes a balance between portability and performance. Show.